Are you ready to make some colorful feedback? Click on the New Feedback tab and then New Feedback. Make sure that you have the lesson number in there, and if you want the student ID as well, type in the student's name. Then you will just collect the sentences, making sure that it's very colorful. Don't forget to use conjunctions as well in your feedback. When you're finished, you will go below and just hit the copy button. If you want to save it as a template, you can. Just type in briefly how the student did in this feedback and rate it on a 1 to 5 stars, and then it's saved in your templates. If you're interested to learn some more tips about how to use BlaBla Commentz, please click on the scheduled training. It's a free training with me, Debbie.